In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check saved posts on Reddit. By the end, you'll know exactly where your saved content lives and how to quickly find posts and comments you've bookmarked for later. First, head to your Reddit home feed. Open Reddit in your browser or launch the Reddit app, and make sure you're signed into the account where you saved the content. Your saved items are tied to your account, so if you're not signed in, you won't see them. Next, click your profile icon. On desktop, you'll find it at the top right corner of the page. It's the small avatar circle. On mobile, tap your profile picture, typically in the top right or accessible via the menu icon. This opens your account menu with options tailored to your profile. From that drop-down, select View Profile. This takes you to your personal profile hub, where you can see your posts, comments, and other activity. If you don't immediately see the option, scroll the menu a bit. View Profile is usually near the top alongside Account Settings. Once your profile loads, look for the Save tab. On desktop, it appears as a clearly labeled tab along the top of your profile sections. In the app, it's often along the top or within a row of filters. Tap or click Saved to switch from your general overview to the dedicated space for everything you've bookmarked. You're now ready to browse your saved posts and comments. Scroll through to review what you've collected: posts, comment threads, and sometimes media. Click or tap any item to open it. If you're organizing, you can unsave items you no longer need by clicking the bookmark icon again. It will be removed from your saved list instantly. Keep in mind that if a post was deleted or a community went private, the item might still appear in your list but won't fully open. That's normal and just reflects changes made by the poster or the community. A few quick tips while you browse. If you're hunting for something specific, skim the titles and subreddit names to jog your memory. On desktop, opening items in new tabs can make comparing posts easier. On mobile, long pressing an item may reveal quick actions like opening in a new view or sharing. And if you don't see saved at all, double check you're on your own profile, not someone else's. That's it. Simple and reliable. Go to your home feed, open your profile, choose View Profile,